Have you ever looked down at your legs and thought, why are my ankles so swollen? Or maybe you've woken up and felt that deep aching stiffness in your knees, the kind that makes it hard to even get out of bed. You take a few steps and everything just feels heavier than it used to. If that sounds familiar, please know this: you are not alone. Millions of people, especially after 50, struggle with swelling, stiffness, and weak joints that make everyday movement feel like a chore. But here's the incredible news. Your body still has the power to heal, to rebuild, and to move with strength and freedom again. And one of the most powerful ways to do that starts with what's on your plate. Today, we're talking about 8 collagen-rich foods that can literally help you say goodbye to swelling and stiffness and hello to stronger, more comfortable legs and joints. These foods aren't strange or hard to find. They're simple, natural, and deeply nourishing. And when you add them into your daily routine, they can help restore flexibility, reduce inflammation, and support your body from the inside out. So, grab a cozy seat, maybe a warm drink, and let's talk about how you can start feeling better one meal at a time. Now, before we get into the list, let's take a moment to talk about what's really going on in your body. As we age, our collagen levels naturally drop. Collagen is that amazing protein that keeps your joints cushioned, your skin firm, and your muscles supported. It's basically the glue that holds everything together. But after the age of 50, our bodies can produce up to 30% less collagen than before. And that's when you might start noticing things like more swelling in your legs, your knees aching after walking, or even that feeling of heaviness in your feet at night. And when collagen levels dip, something else happens. Inflammation starts creeping in. Your joints get irritated, your circulation slows down, and your muscles don't bounce back as quickly after movement. But here's the empowering part. By giving your body the right nutrients, the ones that help it make more collagen, you can actually slow that process down and even reverse some of the discomfort. All right, let's get into these powerful healing foods that can make a real difference for your legs and joints. Number 1, bone broth. Oh yes, the old-fashioned bone broth your grandmother might have made. It turns out she was onto something incredible. Bone broth is like liquid gold for your joints. It's naturally packed with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, the very building blocks your body uses to repair and strengthen connective tissue. When you sip on a warm cup of bone broth daily, even half a cup, it can help reduce inflammation, improve joint lubrication, and ease that tight, swollen feeling in your knees or ankles. You can make it at home by simmering chicken or beef bones for several hours, or find high-quality pre-made versions at the store. Just make sure they're slow simmered and have no added sodium. Many people start noticing their knees feel more flexible within just a few weeks of regular bone broth. Number 2, salmon and fatty fish. You've probably heard that salmon is heart healthy, but it's also one of your best friends for joint comfort. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation and joint pain. But here's something not everyone knows. These fish also contain small amounts of marine collagen. And when you combine collagen and omega-3s, your body gets a double benefit: less swelling and more support for the cartilage that cushions your joints. So if you're someone who often feels your knees puff up after standing too long, try adding salmon to your diet 2 or 3 times a week. Your joints and your heart will thank you. Number 3, eggs. Simple, affordable, and packed with nutrition. Eggs contain proline and glycine, 2 amino acids your body absolutely needs to produce collagen. The yolk, in particular, is a rich source of nutrients like vitamin D and choline, both of which help keep muscles strong and prevent weakness in the legs. Think about starting your day with scrambled eggs and a handful of spinach. It's a perfect combo of protein, collagen-building nutrients, and antioxidants. And remember, healthy muscles help support your joints, so strengthening one strengthens the other. Number 4, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, all of them. They're not just sweet treats, they're anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Berries are loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't make collagen effectively. And the antioxidants in berries help reduce the oxidative stress that can cause swelling and stiffness. Imagine your joints as little hinges. The antioxidants in berries help keep them smooth and free of rust. A handful of berries in your morning oatmeal or as an afternoon snack can make a real difference over time. Number 5, leafy greens, especially spinach, kale, and collard greens. These vibrant vegetables are packed with magnesium, vitamin C, and chlorophyll, all nutrients that help your body make and protect collagen. They also help your circulation, which is vital if you deal with swelling in your legs. When blood and lymph fluid don't circulate well, you get that heavy, swollen feeling, but greens help keep things moving smoothly. Try blending a handful of spinach into a smoothie with berries and a scoop of collagen powder. You won't even taste the greens, but your body will feel the benefits. Number 6, citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes. They're collagen's best friends. Vitamin C is like the spark plug that ignites collagen production in your body. It literally activates the enzymes that knit together collagen fibers. And when your collagen is strong, your skin stays elastic, your blood vessels stay flexible, and your joints stay cushioned. Try starting your morning with warm lemon water. Not only does it hydrate you, but it also gives your body a burst of vitamin C to start rebuilding from the inside out. Number 7, chicken. You might not realize this, but the connective tissue in chicken, especially the skin and cartilage, is loaded with collagen. That's why collagen supplements often come from chicken. Eating chicken thighs or drumsticks, especially with the skin on in moderation, provides your body with natural collagen and amino acids that help restore your joint tissue. If you've been avoiding chicken skin, you can relax a little. A small portion, prepared simply, can actually help nourish your joints. And finally, number 8, beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans. They're rich in protein, zinc, and copper, which are all essential for collagen formation. Zinc and copper act like construction workers, helping your body assemble collagen properly. Plus, beans are high in fiber, which supports gut health, and a healthy gut means better absorption of all those other nutrients you're eating. So don't underestimate a hearty bowl of bean soup or chili. It's comfort food that truly supports your body. Now, here's where things get exciting. When you combine these foods regularly, your body begins to respond. Many people notice their legs feel less puffy, their knees don't crack as much, and that morning stiffness starts to fade. That's because you're not just masking the pain, you're nourishing the source of the problem. Let's take a moment to imagine what that means. Picture yourself waking up, putting your feet on the floor, and standing without that usual hesitation, walking across the room without feeling your knees buckle or your ankles throb. Maybe even getting back to things you've missed: gardening, walking with friends, dancing with your spouse, or simply climbing stairs without having to hold on tight. That freedom, that's what these small, consistent choices can bring back into your life. Now, I know sometimes it feels like no matter what you eat or what you try, the swelling and pain just keep coming back, and that can be discouraging. But I want you to hear this clearly. Your body can heal. It might take time, but every bite of these nourishing foods is like giving your body a gentle, helping hand. You're not powerless. You're giving yourself the tools to rebuild. Another tip that makes a big difference: stay hydrated. Collagen needs water to stay flexible and effective. When you're dehydrated, your joints can feel stiff and your legs may swell more easily. So aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. If plain water isn't your favorite, add slices of lemon, cucumber, or even a few berries. Make it enjoyable. Hydration is one of the simplest ways to help your body flush out inflammation and support collagen function. And of course, movement matters. You don't need intense workouts. Gentle, consistent movement like walking, stretching, or light strength training helps stimulate collagen production in your muscles and joints. It also helps push fluid back up from your legs, reducing swelling. If you can, try ankle circles, gentle leg lifts, or even seated marches while watching TV. Every little bit helps. Let's talk for a second about something many people don't realize. Collagen and circulation go hand in hand. When your collagen is healthy, your blood vessels stay strong and elastic, which means better blood flow to your legs. That's one reason why people who eat collagen-rich diets often say their legs look and feel lighter, less swollen, and more energized. So by focusing on your joints, you're also improving your overall vascular health. And if you're wondering whether collagen supplements work, yes, research supports them too. Studies have shown that collagen peptides can help reduce joint pain, increase mobility, and even improve skin elasticity in older adults. But supplements work best when you're also eating real, whole foods that provide the supporting nutrients. Think of it like building a house. The collagen powder is the bricks, but the foods we've talked about today are the foundation, cement, and tools that make it all come together. Now, let's do a quick recap of the 8 collagen-rich foods you'll want to start, including more often bone broth, the ultimate joint healing comfort food, salmon and other fatty fish for omega-3s and marine collagen, eggs packed with amino acids for collagen synthesis, berries full of antioxidants and vitamin C, leafy greens rich in magnesium and collagen-protecting nutrients, citrus fruits to spark collagen production, chicken for natural collagen and muscle support, beans and legumes for protein, zinc, and copper. Even if you just start with 2 or 3 of these foods this week, you'll be taking powerful steps toward feeling stronger and more comfortable. Your body notices every good thing you do for it, and it rewards you with better mobility, lighter legs, and more confidence in your steps. Now let's bring this home. I want you to take a deep breath and think about what you want your next chapter to look like. Maybe you want to travel, spend more time with your grandkids, or simply walk without pain. You deserve that. You deserve to feel comfortable in your body again, to move without fear or frustration. And you can. It's not about perfection. It's about small, consistent choices that tell your body, I care about you. I'm helping you heal. So as you go through your day, remember this: every nourishing meal is medicine. Every healthy choice is a way of saying thank you to the body that's carried you this far. Start with one small change, maybe a cup of bone broth tonight, or a handful of berries tomorrow morning, and keep building from there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this message reach more people who need it. And if you want to keep learning simple, natural ways to support your health as you age, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these foods are you most excited to try, or do you already have a favorite way to care for your joints? Let's keep this conversation going and support one another. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Remember, your body is resilient, your health is worth fighting for, and it's never too late to feel strong again. Until next time, take care of yourself and take care of those amazing legs and joints that carry you through life.